Being an introvert can make it difficult to make friends, but it's not impossible. In fact, there are many ways to connect with others that cater to introverted personalities. Here are 7 ways to make friends as an introvert. Tip 1. Join online communities. Joining online communities can be a great way to make friends as an introvert. These communities provide a safe space to connect with others who share your interests and passions. The anonymity of online interactions can make it easier for introverts to express themselves without the pressure of face-to-face interactions. Online communities come in many forms, including subreddits, Facebook groups, Discord servers, and forums. These platforms allow you to connect with people from all over the world who share your interests, no matter how niche they may be. You can ask questions, share your opinions, and engage in discussions with others who have similar interests. One great thing about online communities is that they provide a low-pressure environment for socializing. You can take your time to read through discussions and respond at your own pace. You can also choose to engage in conversations that interest you, while ignoring those that don't. Another advantage of online communities is that they can lead to meaningful connections with others. You may find that you have a lot in common with someone you meet online, and that you enjoy talking to them on a regular basis. Over time, these online friendships can lead to real-life connections and even lifelong friendships. Tip 2. Attend events related to your interests. If you're an introvert looking to make friends, attending events related to your interests can be a great option. These events provide an opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals who share your passions and hobbies. The great thing about these events is that they offer a low-pressure environment for socializing. You can attend solo or with a friend, and take things at your own pace. For introverts, this can be especially appealing, as it allows you to avoid the pressure of large social gatherings. So, if you're interested in literature, consider attending a book club meeting. If you love movies, look for a screening of a film you're excited about. If you're an art lover, check out an art exhibit opening. Whatever your interests are, there is likely an event that caters to them. Attending these events not only provides an opportunity to meet new people, but also to engage in meaningful conversations. You can discuss your favorite books, films, or artwork with others who share your interests. These conversations can often lead to new insights and perspectives, and can help you deepen your understanding and appreciation of your hobbies. It's important to remember that attending these events doesn't mean you have to become an extrovert overnight. You can take things at your own pace, and engage with others as much or as little as you feel comfortable. Over time, you may find that attending these events becomes a regular part of your social life, and that you have formed meaningful connections with others who share your interests. Tip 3. Volunteer for a cause you believe in. If you're looking to make friends as an introvert, volunteering for a cause you believe in can be a great option. Not only will you be making a positive impact on the world around you, but you'll also be surrounded by others who share your passion for helping others. Volunteering can take many forms, from working at an animal shelter to helping out at a food bank or community garden. Whatever cause you choose to support, you'll be working towards a common goal with others who share your values. The great thing about volunteering is that it provides a natural way to connect with others. When you're working together towards a common goal, it can be easier to strike up a conversation and get to know others. You may find that you have a lot in common with your fellow volunteers, and that you enjoy spending time with them outside of your volunteer work. In addition to providing an opportunity to make new friends, volunteering can also help you build new skills and gain valuable experience. This can be especially beneficial for introverts who may be looking to build their confidence and social skills. So, if you're looking to make friends and make a difference in the world, consider volunteering for a cause you believe in. You'll have the opportunity to connect with others who share your values, and make a positive impact on the world around you. Tip 4. Join a class or workshop. Joining a class or workshop is another great way for introverts to make friends. These settings provide a structured environment for socializing, which can be especially helpful for those who feel overwhelmed by unstructured social situations. There are many different types of classes and workshops to choose from, depending on your interests. Whether it's a yoga class, cooking workshop, or a language course, you'll be surrounded by others who share your passion for learning and growing. One of the benefits of joining a class or workshop is that it provides a common interest to bond over. You can start conversations with others about what you're learning, ask for help or advice, and share your own experiences. This can lead to deeper connections with others, and potentially even lifelong friendships. In addition to providing a social outlet, joining a class or workshop can also help you develop new skills and knowledge. This can be especially valuable for introverts, who may prefer to focus on developing their skills and interests rather than engaging in small talk. If you're interested in joining a class or workshop, start by researching classes in your local community or online. Many classes and workshops are offered for free or at a low cost, making them accessible to people on a budget. And don't be afraid to try something new. You never know what you might discover about yourself and others. Tip 5. Attend a networking event. Attending a networking event can be a great way for introverts to make new friends and professional connections. These events provide an opportunity to connect with others in your field or industry, and can help you learn about new job opportunities, industry trends, and best practices. Networking events come in many different forms, from conferences and meetups to job fairs and industry events. While they can be intimidating for introverts, it's important to remember that everyone is there for the same reason, to connect with others. And while it may feel uncomfortable at first, networking can be a valuable skill to develop as you navigate your career. One of the benefits of attending a networking event is that you'll be surrounded by others who share your professional interests. This provides a natural conversation starter, and can help you find common ground with others. You can start by introducing yourself, asking questions about others' work, and sharing your own experiences. It's also important to remember that networking events don't have to be all about work. Many events include socializing opportunities, such as cocktail hours or dinners. These events can provide a more relaxed environment for getting to know others, and may be more comfortable for introverts who prefer one-on-one conversations. If you're interested in attending a networking event, start by researching events in your local community or online. Look for events that align with your interests and career goals, and make a plan for how you'll approach conversations with others. And remember, it's okay to take breaks and step outside your comfort zone. Networking is a skill that takes time and practice to develop. Tip 6. Connect with others through a shared hobby. Connecting with others through a shared hobby is a great way for introverts to make new friends. Hobbies are a natural way to bond with others over a shared interest, and can provide a sense of community and belonging. One way to connect with others through a hobby is to join a local club or group. Many communities have clubs and groups for a variety of hobbies, from photography to board games to gardening. Joining a group can be a great way to meet others who share your passion, and to learn new skills and techniques. Another option is to connect with others online through forums, social media groups, or hobby-specific websites. This can be especially helpful if you live in an area where it's difficult to find others who share your interests. Online communities provide a space to ask questions, share advice and tips, and connect with others who are passionate about the same hobby. When connecting with others through a hobby, it's important to be open and welcoming. Remember that everyone is there because they share a common interest, so be respectful of others' opinions and experiences. Be willing to share your own knowledge and expertise, but also be open to learning from others. Lastly, don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone and try something new. Trying a new hobby can be a great way to meet new people and expand your social circle. And who knows, you may discover a new passion in the process. Tip 7. Start small. As an introvert, it's important to remember that making friends doesn't have to be an all-or-nothing process. Starting small and taking things at your own pace can be a great way to build confidence and feel more comfortable socializing. One way to start small is to strike up a conversation with a coworker or classmate. This can be as simple as asking about their weekend plans or commenting on something in the news. Even small interactions like these can help you feel more comfortable with socializing, and can lead to deeper conversations and connections over time. Another option is to attend a small gathering with friends. This can be less intimidating than attending a large party or social event, and can provide a more intimate setting for socializing. Consider inviting a small group of friends over for a game night or movie marathon, or joining a friend for coffee or lunch. It's also important to be patient with yourself and to remember that building meaningful connections takes time. Don't be discouraged if you don't make friends right away, and don't be afraid to take breaks from socializing if you need to recharge. Ultimately, making friends as an introvert is all about finding the right balance between socializing and self-care. By starting small and taking things at your own pace, you can build meaningful connections and create a supportive social network that works for you. So there you have it, 7 ways to make friends as an introvert. Remember, making friends takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the end. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try new things. You never know who you'll meet or what opportunities will arise. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.